Friday, 3rd of November, I think. Got a little cool here in northeast Texas last night, and I come up to my little building. It was right on 60 degrees up high where I got my thermometer. So I said, well, I'll just plug in my little diesel fired heater to break the chill. Literally took 5 minutes to get it up to 74, and had to turn the heater off. Got hot. Good heater, good insulation. Love that stuff, can't say that enough. Gonna be a real light day today. Not a whole lot to do up here, to tell you the truth. We just finished eating some celery at the house. Supposed to, you can take the bottom of the celery group and stick it in the ground and it'll grow and you'll get celery. So I dug it out of the trash can, shaved off the bottom of it to get the crust off, and stuck it in the ground. See what happens. Got my backhoe back. And went to pick it up, and the battery was low. They forgot to turn the disconnect off when they was working on it. They had also used my backhoe to clean up their lot, and the inside of the bucket is full of limestone, dust, mud. Don't mind them using the backhoe. Wish they would have washed the bucket out. I'll do that here in a minute. And I'm thinking about building a compost containment system. Basically, it's a 3-sided wall, and on earth, not on a pad. And far and away, the most effective way to build a wall that's permanent is with 8x8 hollow block, 8x8x16. Should have enough concrete mix to do a simple foundation. Don't have to be super deep here in northeast Texas. And the plan is probably put it right here in this area. It's fairly level, and dimensions will be 8 feet going towards the street on 2 sides, and I'll make the back wall 9'6", thereabouts. Now, the reason I want to do that is I can back my dump trailer up to it and dump it, and then plan is to get I don't know, 4 yards of that composted cow manure, dump into this containment system for the start. And because of the tree there, it generates a couple 100 pounds of leaves and limbs every year. And I got that chipper I picked up, the barn find. I just looked back through the video stream, so I can grind up all the leaves and limbs and add that to my composted cow manure, and eventually end up with some real good garden enhancement stuff. Be the composted cow manure, composted leaves, so I get wood-based fiber mixed in and composted to enhance that garden soil continuously, and throw a decent tarp over the top of it so it doesn't turn into just a mushy mess. And it should do good, I think. And it's going to take just under 100 block, the way I have it envisioned, and I should have enough concrete mix to do a real simple foundation for it. Rebar, of course, and run some rebar down through the block, fill them all full of concrete mix, and it's one and done. If I do it out of wood, it will rot, period. No exception, it will rot. And this treated lumber they sell you nowadays, I'm telling you, it ain't worth a damn. I've got another trailer deck I'm going to have to redo on my heavy haul trailer. I didn't even waste the money on the center section, putting in new wood. It's just going to rot. And I got better things to do every 3 or 4 years than redecking a trailer. But my blue 20-foot trailer, that deck's only 5 years old maybe, and it's showing some rot. And I treat it, and it don't matter. This stuff ain't no good no more. You go out and get sweet gum from the sawmill, and you'll end up with the same longevity as you would on treated pine. It's pitiful. But like I said, it's gonna be a light day today. Just in there listening to the radio for a little bit. And turn that heater off. Ooh, it got hot quick. And Popo across the street. They hang out there, that other parking lot. I tell them, if you need some coffee or a commode, just come on in. I've always got both. And, they're nice, they're just doing their job. And they'll hang out there because this is the part of Longview that has the most calls for service, you put it that way. And they'll do the reports and basically just kind of hang out. If it's a canine unit, they'll let the dog out, play with the dog a bit. Longview police are good folks. I like all of them. They've never done me bad ever. So anyway, let me start running extension cord and charging up a battery, and I'll do the layout for my compost system and do some planning on that. Thank you.